Assalamu alaikum. What is Microsoft 365? Office 365 is now Microsoft 365. Microsoft changes Office 365 converted to Microsoft 365. Both are pretty much similar. Microsoft 365 is designed to help you achieve more with innovative Office apps, intelligent cloud services, and world-class security. It's a new name for the subscription with more benefits to unleash your creativity and to get things done. You get a premium Office apps and a smart assistant feature to edit your papers with a style suggestion. And across all apps, you get premium creative content like high impact images, icons, templates. Security issue: built-in ransomware detection and recovery protects your files against digital attacks, and you get the security of personal vault in OneDrive with an additional layer of protection to store your most sensitive files in the cloud that only you can access. If you have an existing Office 365 subscription, don't have to do a things. You get all these benefits at no extra charge. You will see some changes though, like new subscription names, and if you don't have a subscription, go to this website microsoft.com/microsoft-365. And you can get a free 1-month trial to discover the latest apps and all the other subscription benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay learning, stay safe.